scrambling over there, Stephanie. Did you see how fast he did that?
Yeah. That's probably what happened last night.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Come on, buddy.
Increasing.
What? Look back. Come this way. What is it? Go now. Go fast. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. You can do it. You're so close. See, as soon as I figure out how to get that shoulder on the other side, see, he looks over here and gets excited and then does it. Go. Oh, gosh.
Oh, so
Looky,
close.
that's so good. That's so good. Try it again, Mr. Show Off.
Oh.
Hey. Oh, he's trying so hard. You can do it. Try it one more time. Get some momentum. Go, grrr, grrr, go, go, go. You can do it, Mr. Daniel. You can do it. You're so close. You're so close. You are. Say, at least I don't give up easily. I don't give up easily. No.